All right, I got the burger. I forget the name of this. I will post it. Go something. It's a cheeseburger anyway. 50-50 beef and lamb with their house sauce. So there's no ketchup on this. Thank goodness. I didn't want ketchup or anything like that. My hair's all... Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my stream first and then I'll record this. All right. I already took a bite of this. I'm doing my Asian squat, so I'm getting my exercise while I'm having my burger. It's very good. Bad. Yeah. That's good. The bun is nice and fresh. I don't know what type of bun it is, but it's good bun. Take your bite. So $13.75. I have the when I edit, I'll put the price and everything in, but this is the only way I can eat this. It's a good burger. Whatever it was, $13.75 or whatever, $13.95, just for the burger itself. I don't know, but it's very tasty. Lettuce and their secret sauce. He told me it was mayo and something, relish. I just said I don't like ketchup, so there's no ketchup. Take your bite. So messy. The bun is so fresh. So come check out Bindi's Burgers on Clinton Street. Take your bite. It's so messy, but take your bite. Yum. Check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz C, for the live replay from this day. I did, I think, about a 5-hour stream, so check it out.